Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Alhamdulillah, from this end we continue. First, before we come to the application again, we come on relational database, how we create the relationship between one table to another table. For this reason, I go on for use this opportunity for take some tables in, form the application itself and explain them further. Because if I just come into RAM, I watch the diagram, then you see how the diagrams and you know understand. Now I want to fetch some table from this application. So from this database to this other database. I forgot about that. I come to my table now. I right click. No, sorry. Now inside the source day, now they go. Good. I open in table same. I look for the particular table where I will call student application here. Good. Then I right click and I make sure that I go to scripts now, script table, then I say new. Good. I don't get it already. So I need for do, I just need for change the name of the table. The name of the table, in fact, all this end you can just pull this man. They change the name of the table now student 6 now in this. Now in also after it can just execute now. Then automatically it don't write. What you do is see the error then now because it gets some relationships in we already title. Forget about that. You can you already title several relationships in, meaning you don't pull them from in source table to so from in source database to in destination database. So I can come to this man. I can right click and refresh and see if you don't come. Look at my student application, you don't come already. If I open them back, I want to see all the fields and all things they intact. So everything they intact. So now what they can do, we want to see how they relate with districts or nationality. We'll also create another. We can close them up. We'll also get another one from this end. Or we say nationalities. Let me look for nationalities in this. Then we right click them, we'll script them again and come to create then new query. So just change the name of the database. We'll call them student 6. Good. You can pull all the way there, they're not useful. Then it executes from this end. You don't create because you don't get no you don't get no key way it with. Then from there we don't get nationality. I can say no because I don't need that query there. So I close all the way there. Let's see how they relate now. For understand the relationship end, we can we right click and refresh for let we count nationality. So this table, we don't get this region, we can delete and this will be created from a previous video. So that will not go box up. We pull them. So after we come to the diagram now, we say diagram, we right click the diagram, this one, database diagram, right click, you say new database diagram, you say yes. Then from there, it count then to table here for you. You say okay. So something the way we make them relate. What make them relate? The primary key of this man, date to this man. You see country. But for understand, I can right click, you go to standard. You right click the table, you say table view, select standard, you can able edit further. We can back right click, we say standard. Good. Now we see you say country there. You see, look at now. Now we assume say you see the data type where they are now 50, yeah 50. Now assume say not be needed after photo. Now one for create the relationship between them. I don't delete an I can right click, I say insert column. I don't get a blank column, you click this guy, you copy Control C, you can Control V, you paste them, you don't come back the same thing. Meaning, here na the source, here na the destination. So here na the primary key, here na the foreign key. This table don't get a foreign key of this primary key. What do you mean? This man not so in country, now in country, this when he left in country, this other man in country, he don't become foreign and here. So automatically this country gets this guy now. So this guy don't become a foreigner and I make we say foreign key. So in the time now, you say okay now, relationship don't be between country A to country B. You don't see, let's see, take him from the source now, can drop and usa in fall, look for himself, usa country there in this, put on there. So, oh, you don't see, country there now, country don't count to, so it to nationality, usa the primary key there now, in at the end of this end, the foreign key don't see now, you say, okay. As you say, okay, automatically, the one way na the primary table, meaning the source table, I get the one. The one way that usa the foreign data get the more than one. Let me call her one to many or many to one relationship. Now, so if you want to see the relationship now, you can even right click this relationship now. I think you can to property. You tell her let's show relationship or you can good. You say let's show the relationship label. You see, you can able to show relationship label now. Tell you how they relate. So I think this explain briefly then table gen. After you can now, don't forget you for save them. You come from standard 11 to column, from standard 11 to column. Then I can even come and say arrange the table for me. Fine. Say arrange table gen for me. See, when you don't see arrange table gen for you, automatically this guy is closer. He don't arrange it for you in a way when you feel say he fine. Look at him. You see, he don't count for you don't side. If you want, you can even pull on there, put it so the way you want it. But if you say arrange table, he put it for you the way he thinks it fine. From there now, you can save this one. Say yes. Automatically, if you can to Object Explorer, you can you don't see the diagram now in this now. Then this guy, if I want for copy and go to for presentation purpose, maybe I want to showcase. Okay, for this end, I can put them before you. Oh, okay, sorry. I can cover this table now, this other table now. Good. I even count up further. Up again. Then I go able to copy now this man to this man. Or in only for copy yourself, just scan to this empty space. You right click there, you say copy diagram to clipboard. Then you come to you paint Windows Q for search, PAN. Then you come, you paste an area. You don't get her. You don't see? Exact. Then you cube we use this one now for save and for presentation purpose. You know, explain them further. I think now so we create relationships them. Now let we watch the next tutorial. Let we can discuss deeply now how we get we application we call student manager. For the sake of this student I have no alternative like deleter. But close this guy. If you want deleter, like come here and delete these students. Then after, I think he opens some end and need for closer. But wait for the next tutorial. Relax, that we can explain now. Proper one.